Here's a 2018 Audi Q7. Rapid transit for 7 with the comfort and style of a private plane. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Parktronic Park Assist, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.